Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've been shopping. I have been on AliExpress. Well, you know, our mailbox is a third mile from our house. And when we walk down there and there's nothing in the mailbox, Darren will say to me, "You're not ordering enough, babe." So, I mean, if the man wants me to order, I don't want to let him down.
Yeah, I hate to be disappointed.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's a good size, too. Oh, I'm going to get the other one. There's this one and a black one. I have white goats, a black goat, and one brown and white. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I love that. That is AG size. That's darling. It's a little keychain, AliExpress. Why do they do that? Why do they double the keychains? I guess you hook that to your purse and put your keys on there. Okay, well, that won't be on my purse, but boy, I'm real pleased with that. I need to fix him a little bit. That often happens with stuffed animals. That's not a problem. I'll do that off camera. Oh, he's cute.
Adorable.
I have Seinen goats, which are all white. These are for my little Kirsten AG doll. She wears little boots like this. There should be some red ones coming for her also. How cute are those? Oh, that's very cute. Okay, so we got those. And what's in here? Oh, do y'all watch Joni's Doll Photography? If you don't, you're missing it. Joni has the cutest little dolls. She has these little pig dolls. I think she 3D printed some of them. You know, I might have to heat him up. Yeah, I'm going to have to heat him up. But I saw this little doll, and I thought, God, they're so cute on Joni's channel. I think she has this particular doll. I'm going to heat this with a hairdryer. Probably, is your heat gun in here?
No.
Okay, I'm going to heat this up before I shove that hat on. He has glass eyes and rooted hair. It's just cute. Little pig nose. I just thought it was a cute little doll, and I bought it. Wasn't very expensive. Uh-oh, Darren, we're going to need shoes because how can you have a boy's face and do these even fit?
They don't look like it.
Let's see,
to me.
they don't look like it. Oh, they do. If you cram them on and squeeze and... Okay, but he's cute and he didn't cost a lot. Let's see if I can get him put together for this video. We'll see, because I don't know where the hair... We took the hairdryer up, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll have to go get it or the heat gun. In this one, you want to tell the story?
Okay. The whole thing, we were watching Legos. My son and I, my oldest son and I, we build Lego models together sometimes for fun. And anyway, we watched a show called Lego Masters, and we especially liked the Australian version. And they had a whole episode once where they needed a goat, but there was only like 2.
It was the Christmas, wasn't it?
Lego goats available in all of Australia.
These
and they were talking about how it would be perfect and blah, 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 but evidently they're retired and they don't make them anymore. These are reproductions.
Oh, yeah, these are reproductions, but this is what it looked like when they got it in...
Yeah, so they surprised the creators, I don't know, the Lego builders, with a couple of goats, and they were joking in the show about pocketing them afterwards.
And actually they gave it to
Yeah,
him
I think they did, yeah.
But I collect goats. My puppy has decided to play every time we film this morning. She's throwing a bone around. She's so cute. She's just over a year old and huge. I kind of collect goats, and so I got those. I might have others coming. If you see a bone in the middle of or back of the table, you'll know that Darren put his foot. She's going to go get something else. These are also for 18-inch dolls. Oh, I'm going to put those back in there. They were inexpensive, and I bought them. What I want to do is have Darren make the skate blades that he makes for ice skates. I thought that would be really, really cute. I love a doll on skates. All right, let's see what else I did get. Oh, this is for, Josefina had one, but so does, oh gosh, is it Felicity? I think Felicity has a hat much like this that they decorate. Oh, hers is a little shorter than this, but you can't get those. So I got this for one of my historical girls. Oh, that's pretty dang cute. That is pretty dang cute. I'll be getting another one of those. All right, I'll decorate one for Josefina and one, I think it's Felicity. Might be Kirsten. Those are the ones I've really been looking at.
This week.
Well, this for a while. Yep. Okay, and then this is for Boo, my little 12, well, that's the plan. My little 12-inch baby doll, silicone baby doll. Isn't that cute? It's an 18-inch doll PJs, but I thought that would be cute on my baby girl. We used to have llamas, and I used to make the tassels that they wore and the backpacks. I used to make them in, we used to take those blankets and make them. They looked a lot like that, Peruvian. We used to teach them tricks and to pull carts and to pack, and we'd take them out. We'd go on lunch outings. We would pack lunch in their pack, and boy, you can get a lot in a llama pack. And we would take food and drinks out. Actually, we took a little stove and we'd cook out on the trail, and it was just a fun time. Thank you for, oh, before I forget again, I am ashamed to tell you, it's almost comical. It's a good thing I'm an old lady.
There's more.
Yeah. Good thing I'm an old lady, or you think just I was an idiot. You might think that anyway. Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby sent me this absolutely gorgeous Christmas gift. It was in a collab. We sent each other smart doll outfits. Holly went way over the top. I've never in my life had a package packaged so beautifully. It was incredible. And there were little boxes, just for fun and to use for props and stuff. So I didn't even open them. Well, she let me know there was stuff in it, and I opened this one, and oh my God, the cutest little things. Cutest little things. And I thought the other one was, and I even had it in my hand twice. Opened it up, and thought, okay, this one's just, for looks. No, she let me know there was something in here. And look at this. How I overlooked this. I didn't overlook it. I didn't expect this much. There was so much in this. She didn't miss a single detail. That is in, if you go look at my videos, it's worth watching. That was from Christmas time when Holly sent that. The gift alone, the boxing is worth seeing. The dress and all the accessories, just over the top. Holly, thank you, and I hope you get a grin. And don't think I'm the biggest idiot you've ever sent something to. Okay, maybe I am, but I love you anyway. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.